Hey everyone, welcome back to English Chat Vibes. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. It's so good to have you here with us today.
So, Mike, how was your weekend? Do anything fun?
Yeah, it was good. I met my friend for coffee. It was nice.
It was nice. You sound a little unsure.
Well, the coffee was good, but my friend was talking about her new job, and she said, my boss is like the best, and the office is like so cool, and we get like free lunch, and I'm like, this is amazing. And I was just sitting there thinking,
Thinking what?
like, what does that even mean? I'm like, this is amazing. Was she saying it? Was she thinking it? Why is like everywhere? My brain just stopped.
Your brain froze. I get it. That little word like is everywhere in English conversation. It can sound so confusing.
Confusing. It's a mystery. I thought like just meant you enjoy something. I like coffee. Easy. But then it's in every other sentence with a different job.
You're absolutely right. Like is a tiny word with a huge number of jobs, and for beginners, it can feel like a secret code you don't understand.
Yes, a secret code. So can we break the code today, please?
That's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to break down the main ways we use like in natural, friendly English. No complicated grammar words, just simple, clear examples.
Perfect. My brain is ready.
Great. Let's start with the one you know, the most basic meaning. Number one, like to talk about things you enjoy. This is the verb. You use it to talk about your preferences.
Okay. Examples, please. I learn with examples.
Of course, I like your shirt. It means I think it's nice.
Oh, thank you. I like your shirt too.
See? Easy. She likes listening to music. They like the new park. Do you like Italian food?
I do. I like pizza. A lot.
Me too. And the opposite is don't like or dislike. I don't like cold weather.
I don't like traffic. It makes me crazy.
There you go. That's meaning number one. You enjoy something or think it's good. Now, are you ready for meaning number two? This is where it starts to change.
I'm ready.
Number two, like to compare things. We use it to say something is similar to something else. It means similar to or the same as.
So, not about enjoyment now.
Right, different job. For example, look at this cloud. That cloud looks like a rabbit. I'm not saying I enjoy the cloud, I'm saying its shape is similar to a rabbit.
Ah, I see. So, looks like is for appearance. What about sound?
Great question. This song sounds like the one we heard yesterday. Similar sound. It sounds like rain. The noise is similar to rain.
Can I try one? His jacket is like my jacket. They are similar.
Perfect. Or she sings like a professional. Her singing is similar to a professional's singing. This like is all about resemblance.
This makes sense. So, looks like, sounds like, feels like, all for comparison.
Exactly. You've got it. Now, number three. This is the one you heard from your friend. This is the famous filler word like.
The one that made my brain stop.
Yes, in informal speaking, people use like as a filler, similar to or you know. It gives us a second to think. It's very, very common in casual talk.
So, when my friend said, my boss is like the best, the like doesn't really mean anything.
Not really. It just makes the sentence more casual. The movie was like really long. I was like so tired after work. It's a speech habit.
Should I use this one?
Good question. For now, as a beginner, understand it when you hear it. Don't worry too much about using it. If you use it too much or in the wrong place, it can sound unnatural. It's better to listen first. You will start to hear where it fits naturally.
Okay, so listen for now. Got it. What's number 4?
Number 4, like to mean approximately or about. We use it with numbers and times when we are not being exact.
Oh, that's useful.
It is. Instead of saying approximately 10 minutes, we often say it takes like 10 minutes. It means about 10 minutes, maybe 9, maybe 11, not exact.
So there were like 50 people at the party. Not exactly 50, but around that number.
Perfect. It costs like $15. I've lived here for like 5 years. It shows a rough estimate.
That's much easier than saying approximately. Approximately. That's a long word.
It is. Native speakers love shortcuts. Now, number 5, like to give examples. It means for example or such as.
Example, please. I learn with examples.
Of course, I enjoy sweet fruits like strawberries and mangoes. Strawberries and mangoes are examples of sweet fruits.
So I'm good at sports like football and tennis.
Exactly. Or we need to buy some vegetables like carrots and potatoes. This like introduces examples of the category you just mentioned.
This seems clear and useful for conversations.
Very useful. Okay, number 6. This one is for reported speech or thoughts, especially for young people. This was the I'm like your friend used.
My brain freeze moment.
Yes. When people say, I was like, or he was like, they're often reporting what someone said or what they thought. It's very informal and conversational.
So she said, "This is amazing," is the same as she was like, "This is amazing."
Right. Or for thoughts, imagine I see a big spider. I think, oh no. I can say later, I saw the spider and I was like, oh no. It means that was my reaction.
So it's for quoting speech or showing a reaction.
Exactly. It's like a little word that acts out the moment. Again, super casual. You will hear it all the time in movies and with friends.
Okay, I think my brain is unfreezing.
Good. Last one. Number 7. Would like. This is a very important phrase. It's a polite way to say want.
Politeness is good.
It is. In a cafe, you don't say, I want a coffee. It's too direct. You say, I would like a coffee, please, or I'd like a coffee.
I'd like. It's shorter.
Yes, I'd like is the contraction. We'd like to order. He'd like to visit. It's perfect for restaurants, shops, emails, any situation where you need to be polite.
So I want is for friends. I'd like is for polite situations.
You got it. That's the main difference.
Wow, 7. One little word, 7 jobs. That's a lot.
It is, but don't worry. You don't need to memorize them all at once. The key is to listen. Now that you know these jobs, you will start to notice them. You'll hear a like in a conversation and think, ah, that's the comparison like, or that's the filler like.
That sounds exciting, like a detective game.
It is a detective game. Let's practice a little. I'll say a sentence with like, and you tell me which number you think it is.
Okay, I'll try.
Ready? Sentence 1. This cake tastes like chocolate.
It's a comparison. So number 2, similar to chocolate.
Correct. Sentence 2. I like your new haircut.
That's easy. Number 1, I think it's good.
Great. Sentence 3. There were like 50 people waiting.
Approximately 50. Number 4.
Perfect. Sentence 4. She was like, no way.
Reporting speech. Very casual. Number 6.
Excellent. Last one. I'd like some water, please.
Polite request. Number 7. Would like.
Mike, you did it. See, your brain can handle it.
When you break it down, it's not so scary. It's just patterns.
Exactly. Language is just patterns. Now, for our viewers, let's do a quick review together.
Let's do it.
Meaning 1, to enjoy. I like learning English.
Meaning 2, to compare. English chat vibes is like a friend helping you.
Meaning 3, filler word. This lesson is like really helpful.
Meaning 4, approximately, we make like 3 videos a week.
Meaning 5, for example, we talk about things like grammar and vocabulary.
Meaning 6, reported speech or reaction, and you can be like, wow, I understand.
And number 7, polite want. We'd like you to subscribe.
There they are, all 7.
The most important thing is not to stress. Listen for these meanings when you watch our videos, when you listen to songs, and when you hear conversations. Your ear will get used to it.
And it's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn.
Always. So tell us in the comments below, which use of like is new for you? Which one do you hear the most?
We read all your comments. We love hearing from you.
If you liked this lesson, that's meaning number 1, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new English Chat Vibes video.
Thanks for learning with us today. Keep practicing, be kind to yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!